Sergeant Mukhola, it's true or it's common cause that you are the investigating officer in this case. 636 of 10/2014, correct?
Iqiniso ukuthi wena iphoyisa eliphenya kulelicala u63610 of 2014.
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi yebo iqiniso.
So the investigations under this case, they commenced from the 30th of May up to the date a warrant of execution, a warrant of arrest was executed to accused number 1 at Modabi police station, prison, correct?
Uphenyo liqale kusukela nge-30 zika May 2020 kufikela umsolwa aze bekugunyazwa leya ncwadi yokuthi aboshwe eModabi.
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi yebo iqiniso.
During the investigation of this matter, is it correct that there were several statements that you have taken from the witnesses and you have commissioned those statements?
Iqiniso ukuthi uma nilibeleni iphenya kuneyitatimende ezehlukahlukile ezibuya kubofakazi ekuthi niye nazithatha futhi nazifisa neyitembe.
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi yebo iqiniso.
All right. I'll just take you. The evidence that you led or elicited during the trial within the trial, there was something that was not put to you about the arrest of accused number 1 on the 19th of March 2019.
Kulobufakazi ophane ngabo kwi-trial within a trial kunento engazange wayitshelwa ngokuboshwa kukamangalelwa wokuqala nge-19 zika March 2020.
Are you aware of that information? Or do you have knowledge of his arrest on the 19th of March 2019?
Uyazi ngokuboshwa kwakhe kuka 19 March 2019?
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi yebo ngiyazi.
So do you know who were the arresting officers on that day?
Uyabazi amaphoyisa bambophile?
It was Sergeant Baloyi
Wakade ku Sergeant Baloyi
and Sergeant Mutau.
no Sergeant Mutau.
Thank you. Do you know why? What was the reason for his arrest?
Uyazi sizathu sokuthi wayeboshelwani?
My lord, he was found with possession of drugs.
Nkosi yenkantolo wayekade etholakele eneyidakamizwa.
Is that the information you have? Because according to accused number 1, he was arrested for the allegations of murder of Senzo Meyo.
Ubufakazi onabo bona lokho ngoba yena umsolo wokuqala uthi uboshelwe ukuthi kuthiwa wayekade eyingcenye yokubulawa kuka Senzo Meyo.
My lord, on the two statements of Sergeant Baloyi and Sergeant Mutau, there is
Nkosi yenkantolo kuyitatimende ezimbini sika Baloyi no Mutau.
there is nowhere, my lord, where they have mentioned that they have arrested accused number 1 on the case of Senzo Meyo.
Akukho laba bhale ukuthi umangalelwa oqala bambophele ukubulawa kuka Senzo Meyo.
So, ma'am, are you in possession of those statements?
Uziphethe lezo statement?
I can go and look for the statements, my lord.
Ngingazibheka.
I just want to clear you up here. In relation to the charge of possession of drugs, we talk about case number 217-03-2019, correct?
Uthi ke ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi kulelo cala leli ledakamizwa sikhuluma ngocase number 21703 ka2019 iqiniso.
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi yebo iqiniso.
So with such statement incorporated in that docket,
Lezo itatement zazikade zikuleyo dokodo.
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi yebo.
sorry, my lord. There's no way, or during your investigation of case number 636 about the death of Senzo Meyiwa, such statements were not incorporated into from 217 to 636.
Lezo statement azikho laphayana kuphenyo lwakho luka 636 leziyana eziku 217.
There is, my lord.
Uthi zikho.
So, with the leave of the court, pending this statement being brought to the defense, I'll humbly request the court or to suspend the question relating to the statements of those two officers.
You don't have that in your
I don't have
they will
them.
not disclose, Mr. Baloyi. Mudau and Baloyi statements were not disclosed to the defense.
Contents of the Tembisa docket were disclosed as well.
Yeah, no, but my question is pertinent. Where Baloyi and Mudau statements concerning this case, which of the drugs, of which the sergeant here says they arrested accused number 1 on, were they not given to all the counsels here?
Yes, that is a point that we're making. That
Yeah.
Yes, if they are in the Tembisa docket, the Tembisa docket was also
The whole
disclosed.
Tembisa docket was handed over. That's what they are saying, Mr. Gomez Zulu.
Thank you, my lord. That's the reason why I would like to suspend this question.
Yeah, but you're suspending it not because she must go and look for those statements of Baloyi and Mudau. You're suspending your cross-examination because you don't have them at hand now.
Correct, my lord.
Yeah.
Not that I don't have it now, my lord. I don't want to engage into a debate, but there are certain files that I was given which does not relate to
Okay, fine.
to 636.
Fine, okay.
Thank
My
you.
lord, I see the accused would like to see the defense attorney.
May I approach, my lord?
Yes, anyone who wants to approach can approach.
Thank you, my lord.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Madam.
May I proceed, my lord?
Yes.
Ma'am, that's the reason why I want to emphasize on the reason for the arrest of accused number 1 was not related to drugs. When he was arrested by Baloyi and Mudau, they accused him of the allegations of the death of Senzo Meyiwa. As a result, he was taken to Chlorokop, where he was interrogated.
Ingakho ngifuna ukugcizelela ukuthi umsolwa wokuqala ngalesikhathi eboshwa ubekade engaboshelwe idakamizwa, wayekade eboshelwa ukubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa, bese bamthatha bamisa eChlorokop bebakade beyomhloma imibuzo.
My Lord, in the two statements of Baloyi and Mudau, my Lord, there is nowhere where they say, my Lord, we have arrested Moses Priya because of Senzo Meyiwa case.
Nkosi enkantolo, akukho kwi-statement zabo uMudau no Baloyi laba bhale ukuthi babopha umuzi Sibiya ngoldaba leli lika Senzo Meyiwa.
On the day of the interrogation, there is an officer called Zungu was present.
Ngalelanga beze bemhloma ibubuzo kunephoyisa uZungu obekade ekhona.
General Lishabane was present.
uGeneral Lishabane wayekade ekhona.
General Sibiya was present.
uGeneral Sibiya wayekhona.
Warrant Officer Makubo was present.
Warrant Officer Makubo wayekhona.
At that time, those witnesses will come and confirm that. At that time, when they interrogated accused number 1, there were no charges of possession of drugs at that time at Chlorokop.
Ngaleso sikhathi beze bemhloma imibuzo bezingekho bekangasolwa ngeidakamizwa eChlorokop.
Is there anything you wish to say?
Khona into ongathanda ukuyisho?
My Lord, the statements which I have of Sergeant Mudau and Baloyi, there is nowhere where they said we took accused number 1 and questioned him on Senzo Meyiwa case.
Nkosi enkantolo, i-statement lezi enginazo ezika Baloyi noMudau akukho labathi bathathe umsolwa wokuqala kwicala lika Senzo Meyiwa ukuthi bayomhloma imibuzo.
Okay. I'll come to that aspect of the statements. Now, my instruction, as it was also put to other witnesses, that after the interrogation of accused number 1 on the 19th of March, from the information given by Zungu, which those officers did not believe it, and they'll come and confirm that. That's the reason why accused number 1 was released on those allegations. But prior to the release, I'll tell you something.
Kuthiwa ke kwizinto ebezikade zikhulunywa laphayana njengoba bekade ehlonywa imibuzo kusuka kwizinto ebezikade zikhulunywe uZungu, lawo maphoyisa abazange bazikholwe, ingakho umsolwa ewakhululwa, kodwa ngizoza kwenye.
Then that's when a search was conducted on accused number 1, whereby at that time they alleged that he was in possession of drugs. After the allegations of murder, that's when, after that, he was released. They alleged that he was found in possession.
Bese ke ngemva kokuthi sekakhululiwe kuleli icala leli bebamhloma imibuzo ngokubulala, kuthiwa ke kulaye ukuthi kuye kwayokhuthuzwa kwayophenywa kwakhe kulaba bathi bambophela ukuthi yena uneyidakamizwa.
My Lord, I think the counsel, maybe he can put that question in a different way, not drag the two statements of Baloyi and I think you can put it to me to say, do you have knowledge if there was a meeting in Chlorokop whereby who and who was present?
Usenkantolo mhlawumbe ummeli uma ibuza lo mbuzo
Because I'm part of the investigation team.
ngendlela ehlukile mhlawumbe uma ingathi kimina ngiyazi na ukuthi kwakade kunomhlangano eChlorokop mhlawumbe ke kungala ngakwazi ukumphendula ngoba ngingomunye wabaphenyi kule cala.
I know you are not teaching me how to cross-examine, but what I can tell you is the version that I got from accused number 1, which I put it clearly, and it was, you understood it, and you were better able to respond from what I was telling you. Let me move on. I don't want to waste time on this one. Let's look at this. After he was released, then taken to Tembisa, back to Tembisa. That's where he was charged under CAST 217-03-2019 for being in possession of drugs.
Manje ngiyazi ukuthi ngeke ungifundise ukuthi ngibuze kanjani imibuzo ungizwile kodwa ke ithi ngiqhubeke ngemva kokuthi bamkhulule kulaye ukuthi uye wabuyiselwa eThembisa bamthwesa icala leli lika 217-3-2019.
Ultimately, that matter was not placed on the roll. He was released.
Bese nalo lelo cala alizange lifakwe enkantolo uye wakhululwa futhi nakuye.
The question that I want to pose to you, if you have the knowledge of the arrest in 2019, do you know if there were photos that were taken from accused number 1
Umbuzo ongifuna ukukubuza wona
at the time
ukuthi
he was arrested?
uyazi na ukuthi ummangalo wokuqala ngalesikhathi eboshwa uye wathwebulwa izithombe na?
I don't have any photos, my lord, under Tembisa South case 217 of 3/2019.
Anginazo izithombe kuleli cala leli laseThembisa South ku 217-3-2019.
And according to your knowledge about that matter of the first arrest in 2019, do you have any knowledge if the cell phones were taken from accused number 1?
Ukuya ngolwazi lwakho kuleli cala leli lokuqala uyazi ukuthi umsolwa wokuqala uye wathathelwa na abomakhala ekhukhwini bakhe?
No, my lord, I don't remember any cell phone taken.
Uthi cha angikhumbule abomakhala ekhukhwini bebathathwa kuyena.
If perhaps photos were taken during the first arrest, you would agree with me that such photos would have been kept in the docket under case number 217-03-2019.
Uma ingabe izithombe zazikade zithwebuliwe uzovumelana nami ukuthi lezo izithombe zazikade zizofakwa kwidokodo u217.
Do you agree?
Uyavuma?
Possession of drugs.
Leli cala leli lokuboshwelwa idakamiswa.
Maybe Council, if maybe you can explain the part of the photos, because my lord, what I know is that you can take a photo for the purpose of investigation.
Yes.
And thereafter, when the suspect is arrested, my lord, and placed in the holding cells, I know, my lord, that there are people, I think it's Crime Intelligence Office, my lord, who will go there and take the photos of the suspect. So they will not take, it's not like in a form of an album.
Into
It's for profiling.
into engiyaziyo ukuthi izithombe uma zithathwa mhlawumbe umuntu uma iqeda ukuthi aboshwe izithombe mazithathwa zingahle zithathelwe phakathi mhlawumbe emaseleni nakhona akusuka ukuthi kuzabe kuphenywa ukuthi nje bakwazi ukumazi lo muntu loyo oyikuthi bazabe bemthwebula izithombe.
Okay, let's just move on. The fact is that no photos were taken on his first arrest, no cell phones were taken on his first arrest again.
Asiqhubeke ke indaba enkulu lana ukuthi azikho izithombe ebamthatha zona ngalesikhathi eboshwa okokuqala futhi awukho umakhalekhukhwini owathathwa kuyena ngalesikhathi eboshwa okokuqala.
On the 30th of May 2020,
Nge-30 zika May 2020
when you approach accused number 1 in Tembisa
uma uya kummangalelwa wokuqala eThembisa
with a J50 warrant of arrest,
labo kade uphethe incwadi egunyaza ukuboshwa kwakhe,
that warrant of arrest indicated a case number 21703-2019. Do you agree, ma'am?
le ncwadi ebe uyiphethe lebe igunyaza ukuthi aboshwe yayikade ibhalwe ucase number 21703 2019. Uyavuma ngalokho?
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo, ngiyavuma.
Now, accused number 1, after you have arrested him, I want to see the relevance. Okay, let me just get it this way. Let me put it this way for your understanding. These 2 phones that were taken from accused number 1 were taken before a confession was made. Do you agree?
Manje labo makhalekhukhwini abathathwe kummangalelo wokuqala abathathwe ngaphambi kokuthi angayogonyuluka. Uyavuma?
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi yebo iqiniso?
What was the reason for taking those cell phones? If you were executing a warrant that related to possession of drugs, what was the reason?
Wakade kuyini isizathu sokuthi kuthathwe labo makhalekhukhwini uma ingabe wawukade usebenzisa le yancwadi egunyaza ukuboshwa kwakhe kweyidakamizwa?
My lord, the cell phones were taken for the purpose of investigations.
Labo makhalekhukhwini bebathathelwa ukuthi kuyophenywa.
For which investigations, ma'am? 217 or 636?
Kuphenyelwa liphi icala u217 noma u636?
My lord, all the investigations, my lord, pertaining, or all the investigations, my lord, concerning accused number 1.
Kwakade kuyophenywa bonke ubufakazi obekade bukhona ngommangalelwa wokuqala.
I want to put it to you that those cell phones were obtained unlawfully.
Ngifuna ukukutshela ngikwazisa ukuthi labo makhalekhukhwini bathathwe ngendlela engekho emthethweni.
Because the reason for approaching accused... Sorry, before I proceed, ma'am, there's something that slipped my mind. You became aware of the first arrest. Was it prior to the second arrest or after the second arrest?
Waze ngalokuboshwa kokuqala ngaphambi kokuthi umsolo wokuqala azoboshwa okwesibini noma ngaphambi kokuthi aboshwe kwicala lokuqala?
May you repeat the question, my lord?
You became aware that accused number 1 was first arrested in 2019. When you became aware of that fact or that information, was it before you arrested him for the second time or after you have already arrested him?
Waze ukuthi umsolo wayekade eboshiwe ngo2019 ngemva kokuthi bese sombophe okwileli cala lesibini noma waze ngemva kokuthi sewumbophile kulicala lesibini?
Before the arrest, my lord.
Ngaphambi kokuthi aboshwe.
So meaning it never came to your attention that when he was arrested for the first time, the first arrest related to the death of Senzo Meyo?
Awuzange ke ube nalo lolu lwazi lokuthi lokuyakuboshwa kwakhe kokuqala kwakade kumayelana nokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyo?
No, my lord.
Cha, Nkosi enkantolo.
Thank you. Ma'am, before I proceed, my lord, may I be permitted to show the the witness, Annexure 7 of the annexures of Gideon House. Although it is not much, it's page 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On page 11. Huh?
Page 11.
Do you recognize any photo in that exhibit or annexure?
Sikhona isithombe osibonayo lapho?
I see a photo, my lord. It's not clear.
Ngiyasibona isithombe kodwa asicacanga.
All right. Will you be able to identify, even if it's blurry, will you be able to identify who is in that photo?
Ungakwazi ukusho ukuthi ubani umuntu okulesi sithombe nangokho singacacanga?
My lord, I can only recognize because there is, my lord, names under the photo.
Ngikwazi ukubona ngoba kubhalwe amagama ngaphansi kwaleso sithombe Nkosi yenkantolo.
Thank you. So will you agree with me that that person is wearing a hat?
Uyavuma ukuthi lo muntu ufale isigqoko?
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi yebo.
Before you ask you to read what is below that photo, is it common practice in the SAPS when you take a photo from a suspect, you take a photo from a suspect wearing a hat? Is it a common practice?
Kujwayelekile na esiphoyiseni ukuthi uma nithatha isithombe somsolo bese umsolo afake isigqoko?
My lord, you mean when you want to profile
Uma
the
ni-
suspect?
For all reasons.
Noma yisiphi isizathu?
My lord, let me comment on the profiling. If you take a photo for profiling, I don't think maybe the head. I mean, you have to take off the head because they want it. It must show the full view of the person.
Uma kuthathwa isithombe ukuze amaphoyisa bayoba nolwazi lalowo muntu loyo kwamele engathwali ekhanda kwamele ebonakale yonke into.
That is me now thinking, my lord. But on how do they work on this, my lord, I have no knowledge because I don't take photos of the suspect.
Kodwa lokho yimina ongizicabangelayo, angisebenzi ngeyithombe, angazi ukuthi bona basebenza kanjani laba bathatha ithombe.
Now, I understand. I'll get to the second arrest
Uyazwisisa
where the
uzofika
photos were taken.
ekuboshweni kwesibili.
May I ask you to read what is below that photo?
Ngicela ufunde ukuthi ubhalweni lapho ngaphansi.
May we adjourn, my lord, for a longer?
What's the time now?
It's 1 o'clock now.
Okay. 2 o'clock.